Before you start the process of resubscribing a contact, make sure that the contact wants to be resubscribed and knows to be on the lookout for an email confirming that. Once you've confirmed with the contact, click the Contacts tab. From here, you can either do a search for the contact or click the drop-down here and choose Unsubscribed. Once you've found the contact, just click on them and then click Resubscribe. Confirm that you have permission to resubscribe them and then start typing the list you want to add them back to. When you're finished selecting their lists, click Send Email. An email will be sent to the contact asking them to resubscribe. They'll need to click the button in the email that says Resubscribe Me in order to start receiving your emails again. The email that gets sent cannot be edited and you can only send it one time. If the contact deletes the email or can't find it, they'll need to manually sign up using your Constant Contact sign-up form or any of the other sign-up tools we offer. And that's how you can add back an unsubscribed contact with Constant Contact.